Father, the Son. Everyone, please stand. Amen. So before you sit down, please pick up some pieces of paper under your chair and arrange your chair properly. So good morning, class. So did anyone miss the class today?
Yes, ma'am.
Who?
Alex.
Okay, let's start our lesson for the day. There are classroom rules. First is lesson to the teacher. Second, sit properly, and third is keep quiet and don't talk to your classmates. Now here a picture, and I want you to first. So what this picture is all about? So
Examples of disasters, ma'am.
okay, very good. Go. Please.
About causes of
Causes of earthquake.
I think it's the changes due to an earthquake. Okay, so very good. Do you have an idea how these changes happen? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Miss Cotton? I think so. The changes happen because of an earthquake. Okay, very good. Anyone? So based on the picture that I showed to you, do you have any idea what will be our lesson for today? Okay, Miss Cotton. So I think it's about changes due to an earthquake. Okay, so can you have any idea, Miss?
I think it's about the effect after the earthquake.
Okay, so very good. So our lesson for today is all about
changes in the Earth's surface as a
changes in the Earth's surface are result of earthquakes and volcanic
eruption.
Please read everybody.
Changes in the Earth's surface as a result of earthquake and volcanic eruption.
So before we read our objectives, at the end of the lesson, the students are expected to demonstrate understanding of natural disaster and knowledge of emergency preparedness to the changes in the Earth's surface as a result of earthquake and volcanic eruption. Raise awareness on how to make an emergency. Appreciate the importance of having a knowledge about earthquakes and volcanic eruption to stay. Let's proceed to our discussion. One, please read.
Earthquake occurs when two tectonic plates move suddenly against each other. The magnitude of an earthquake is measured through Richter scale, while its intensity is determined by Mercalli scale.
So earthquake occurs when two tectonic plates move suddenly against each other. Like this. For example, this is made plates. Plates. So
It moves against each other.
it can move suddenly against each other. Oh, or there's lava or molten rocks coming out from the volcano. So any clarifications, questions? Okay, so I have questions. What should we do after the disaster? Anime? So what could I do after the disaster? First is that I will know or listen to the authorities on where is the safest place or the evacuation center for us to be able to be comfortable in that area and also aid our mga So give gloves to Miss Anna. So why is it important of having a knowledge of earthquakes and volcanic eruption? Miss Marie,
How can you repeat your question?
why is important of having a knowledge of about earthquakes and volcanic eruption?
Okay, so as the community or community who lives in the city, we should know what to do during the earthquake and volcanic eruption so that we can prepare ourselves. We know what to do. We don't panic, and after that, we can be aware. And knowledgeable about that.
Okay, give gloves to Miss Anna. So do you understand? Do you understand, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I have here an activity. This is
Ma'am, I want to answer, ma'am.
okay, and I was. Please read the direction.
Fill in the blanks.
Number 1. Okay, and then please answer.
Of course, when the tectonic plates move suddenly against each other.
Crystal Walamay,
Sa earthquake.
Earthquake answer.
Anna Marie,
Berto.
Mercalli.
Okay, number
please
2.
come.
Mercalli.
Number 2.
It's a Mercalli.
Regine, please come. Jocelyn, number 5. Please, Anna May, read number 1.
So number 1. Of course, when two tectonic plates move suddenly against each other. So my answer, ma'am, is earthquake.
Okay, read, give clap hands to Anna May. Number 2. Wala.
The magnitude an earthquake is measured through
Richter scale. Okay, very good. Number 3, Anna Marie.
So its intensity is determined by scale equal Mercalli.
Okay, very good. Mercalli. Number 4, Regine. Please read. When volcanic or molten rocks underground begin to raise up and explode during eruption. So, volcanic. Number 5, Jocelyn.
Very mixture tremendously low to surface and turn into lava.
Okay, very good. So, give hands, everyone. I have an activity prepared.
What you have to do is answer it.
Yes, get one half sheet of paper and answer this. Please read, everyone.
Why do we need to know the changes in the Earth's surface?
Why do we need to prepare when the disaster coming?
Okay, please answer.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Pass it forward. Everyone,
Here, ma'am.
thank you. I will check it. So, any clarification, questions?
None.
Okay, thank you. So, I have here an assignment. Just please get your notebook.